In this video, I'll show you how you can get Booking.com Genius Level 3 and what perks you get by getting it. So if you log into Booking.com and you go to your name in the top right, you'll see your Genius level. Mine is currently Genius Level 2. If you click on your name and then go to the Genius Loyalty Program, it will then show you how far away you are from leveling up. So you can see I'm at level 2, and to get to level 3, all you need to do is book 15 hotels or just make 15 bookings within 2 years. So you can see taxes count as well. If you click how to progress in Genius, you can read more about it here. And it says you need 15 bookings within a 2-year window. Now, if you go ahead and look here, by getting level 3 Genius, you get up to 10 to 20% discounts on selected stays and 10 to 15% on rental cars. And just in general, you'll notice as you level up your Genius rewards, you will see more discounts start to appear. So that's how you do it. You just need to book 15 hotels within 2 years.